Pip, a ball of fluff with floppy ears, was obsessed with butterflies. One sunny day, a bright yellow butterfly flitted by, and Pip, with a wiggle of his tail, chased after it. He chased and chased, nose twitching, until, oops, he was lost. Lily, Lily, Pip whimpered, his little puppy heart thumping. Lily was his human, the one who gave the best belly rubs. Just then, a giant red mailbox loomed in front of him. Lost, little fella? Boomed a voice. Pip yelped. Mailboxes don't usually talk. Follow the colorful flowers, the mailbox continued, its voice surprisingly gentle. Confused but curious, Pip followed a trail of pink, blue, and yellow blooms. He sniffed and wagged his tail. The flowers leading him closer and closer to home. Finally, there she was, Lily, her eyes filled with relief, scooped him up in a hug. Pip, you scared me, silly. Pip licked her face, happy to be back in his human's arms. Pip learned that even when lost, following a friendly sign and staying hopeful can lead you home. And sometimes the most helpful friends come in unexpected packages. If you like this story, please subscribe the channel, like and share it with others. See you in the next video.